Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my full Helium 10 product validation strategy so you can confidently decide if a product is worth selling on Amazon FBA. Start by going to Amazon.com and searching for a product idea like silicone baking mat. Then open the Helium 10 Chrome extension and click on Xray. Once it loads, look at the monthly sales. We want to see at least 300 sales per month across multiple listings, not just one. Also, check the number of reviews, ideally under 200, which shows the market isn't overly competitive. Now copy the ASIN of one promising product, go to your Helium 10 dashboard, and open Cerebro under the keyword research section. Paste the ASIN, click Get Keywords, and filter by search volume above 1000 and word count of at least 2. You want to see several high-volume keywords that directly match your product. That confirms consistent search demand. Don't forget to check for red flags like seasonal spikes, identical listings, or highly saturated niches. Use Trendster if you want to confirm seasonality. Finally, open the product listing, go to the reviews section, and filter by 1-star and 2-star reviews to spot customer pain points. If you can solve them, that's your differentiation. And that's it. If this helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop a comment with the niche you're working on. Thanks for watching.